For over 8 decades, DPNC has stood as a name of trust, integrity, and excellence. Our journey began with a vision to deliver value beyond numbers and, more importantly, build lasting relationships founded on ethics and expertise. Welcome to DPNC Global, where tradition meets innovation. Our state-of-the-art workspace is designed for collaboration, focus, and growth. Our people are at the heart of everything we do. From recruitment to mentorship, we believe in nurturing talent and empowering professionals to achieve their best. Every trainee here is more than an employee. They are the future torchbearers of our legacy. At the core, our partners drive strategy and innovation, guiding clients with foresight and teams with wisdom. Here's a look at what we do.
When people think of a consulting firm, they often have an image of just numbers and reports. At DPNC Global, we are different. This firm has been built over 80 years on the core principles of integrity, knowledge, quality, and most importantly, relationships.
We have evolved from that legacy into a full-service consulting firm. We are not just providing a service, we are providing a partnership. Some of our clients have been with us for over 3 generations. Our top priority is to partner with you and your organization on your journey to meet your long-term goals. Whether you are an MNC, a family office, or an individual, our core principle of creating long-term meaningful relationship is what truly drives us.
Our GST and indirect tax services help with all the related compliance and advisory, ensuring you don't end up donating more to the exchequer than you need to. On the direct tax side, we help clients navigate everything from the graded notices to complex cross-border transactions and mergers. Whether you are an MNC, an HNI, or an entrepreneur, we've got you covered. You focus on building wealth while we focus on making sure you keep it.
For our international clients, we help mobile entrepreneurs and investors with residency and citizenship by investment programs. While you choose which country you would like to call home, we handle the paperwork, tax, legal, and FEMA angles, making the process hassle-free and smooth for our clients.
We bring the same philosophy of clarity and trust to our private capital and family office services. We offer bespoke solutions for everything from estate planning to tax advisory, investments, and lifestyle management solutions to help wealthy families preserve and grow their wealth across generations.
Risk is something that keeps business owners up at night. Our risk advisory team helps organizations balance risk governance and compliance. We conduct internal audit, develop SOPs and more. Simply put, we help you sleep better at night knowing your controls are in place.
India's regulatory framework is evolving at lightning speed. We help keep up with this ever-changing environment by ensuring our clients stay compliant with dynamic laws across SEBI, NBFCs, company law, and much more. We believe in complex regulation, simple solutions.
With India rising globally, cross-border transactions are at an all-time high. But getting money in and out is fraught with many regulations. Our FEMA consultants guide clients through overseas investment rules, RBI compliances, and foreign investment structures. We make sure the money doesn't get stuck in the regulatory traffic.
Our global alliances through LEA Global enable cross-border collaboration and support. With an international presence in Dubai and Singapore, our Indo-UAE and Indo-Singapore corridors provide specialized expertise in tax, company law, FEMA, finance, and regulatory matters, serving clients with interest across these regions.
Whether you are a third-generation client or a brand new one, our goal is to be your trusted partner. We are here to offer not just services, but peace of mind.
Our aim is to help you navigate your journey
with comfort and ease.
Technology is at the heart of how we work. By combining professional expertise with cutting-edge software and AI-powered tools, we deliver greater accuracy, deeper insights, and faster solutions for our clients. Collaboration is the key to our success. Every client meeting reflects our values of transparency, teamwork, and trust. Beyond work, we celebrate connections. Our spaces are designed to spark conversations, creativity, and camaraderie. Collaboration isn't just a value, it's our culture. From festive celebrations to knowledge sessions, DPNC thrives on togetherness.
Why choose DPNC? Because we create value through innovation, reliability, and deep expertise, backed by a blend of expert senior leadership and dynamic professionals. How do we choose our people? We select people who share our vision and elevate our values. Our people are encouraged to share ideas, connect productively with colleagues, and to continue to grow professionally, thereby delivering the best solutions while having fun. This is why it's no surprise that DPNC Global has been certified as
Great Place to Work.